why your LinkedIn videos are not converting and how you can fix them. There's been a massive push from LinkedIn on getting more of us onto video, and it is having an effect. They've said that video content on LinkedIn is increasing by 36% year on year, and it's time you and your business are part of this. But how do you create video content that actually helps you to win more leads and sales in business on LinkedIn? Before we get started, my name is Louise Brogan, and I have a free video guide for you on how you can use video on LinkedIn. Go to louisebrogan.com/video guide and grab your copy. Now, let's get on with some help for getting you more leads and sales through your video. The power of LinkedIn video is that LinkedIn posts are generating 1.4 times more engagement than other posts. So we do want to really think about getting you on screen on LinkedIn. Videos are 20 times more likely to be shared than other content on LinkedIn. So just think about that. That is a phenomenal opportunity. But what is stopping people from turning the video into leads and sales? Lacking a clear call to action in your video. Over-polished content. So we don't need to hire a video crew to come to your office to film you making this video. You do not have to spend lots of money on this. What we do with our clients is we video it over StreamYard, and we take the video and then we repurpose the video content afterwards. You can literally use your phone on a stand in your office to create content on video. One of my favorite pieces of equipment is this little tripod. So I literally will put my camera phone and I will put it into the tripod and record the video. So tripod, camera phone. Very important that you have a microphone, so for clear quality of sound. I'm using the biodynamic microphone, which plugs into my laptop and also plugs into my mobile, so I can use it for both. If you don't want to invest in a microphone yet, use the earbuds that you get with your mobile phone, because that has an attached microphone, and that's better than just you talking into your phone from a distance. Please trust me on this one. The third mistake that people are making is they are not optimizing their video for mobile feeds. When you're putting your video content on LinkedIn, make sure that it is optimized for mobile, and you want to have vertical video on LinkedIn. All right, now that you are thinking about doing video, what can you actually share content on? So be strategic about this. You want to be talking to your ideal client. You can share some behind the scenes footage. People love to see what's going on, the reality of what's going on in your business. Make sure you record on vertical format, and always, always, always add captions when you're putting video onto LinkedIn, because the majority of people will not be watching with the sound on. And although LinkedIn has its own closed captions feature, you are depending on the viewer having that turned on in their settings. So if they don't have it turned on in their settings, they will not see the captions on your video. So burn your own captions into the video. Engage early. Capture someone's attention within the first few seconds. Tell them what your video is going to be about and spark interest. Then make sure that there is a good call to action. So it could be download my free video guide, DM me if you want to talk more about this strategy, book a call, or a simple one is asking people to leave their thoughts down below in the comments. And the more comments you get on your content on LinkedIn, the more people will be checking out your profile. The fifth thing to mention is leverage your analytics. So I love a good data search on LinkedIn. Who is watching the video content? How long are they watching it for? Monitor your watch time and your engagement rates. Another thing that LinkedIn is now showing us, and we have a video about this here on YouTube, is how many people are going to view your profile once they have watched your video. You want to keep a close eye on that, because you want to be sharing content that is leading your ideal clients to go and check out your profile, which leads to people wanting to book a call with you. And that's the purpose of all of this content you're putting on LinkedIn. So if you are ready to get more leads and sales from your video on LinkedIn, your choices are come work with us, because that is what we do with our clients and we love doing it, or get together your video strategy, download my free guide, it's 15 pages long, and it tells you the tools we use for editing, the equipment that you need, as well as how to create really good content, video content for LinkedIn. And that's at louisebrogan.com/video guide. Good luck with it all.